Hi Cardiff, my name is Matthew Bird and I'm running to be your VP Education. Currently, I'm a fourth year law student. I also sit on the Board of Trustees in the SU. My manifesto aims to overhaul education in 5 key steps. Number 1, improving the academic experience. So providing you with exam formats which suit your needs and better quality lectures overall. Number 2, increasing the support available, so better mental health facilities and sorting out those exam timetable issues. Number 3, enhancing the resources available, so all the content you need should be online. Number 4, creating an academic community so you have a greater say in how your school is run. And number 5, cost consciousness, reducing costs where possible for students. So reduce graduation fees, expanding feeding flat programs, all of that good stuff. If any of those points sound good, head over to Bird is the Word VP on Instagram, and when voting on March the 14th, remember, Bird is the word.
Shamai, hi everyone, my name is Marc Perez and I'm running to be your next Vice President Education. If you elect me, I will make sure that the following are achieved, among other things. All in-campus lectures recorded, better printer allowance, better feedback in all assessments, improved timetabling to avoid clashes, introduce one exam per day policy and no more late or Saturday exams, more 24/7 libraries open, reading week for all students, more student spaces, better support for mature students and students with disabilities, more durable support including help with visas or accommodation, improved rep system, better transport links in the campus including weekend or night services, and all events possible next year after classes. You can follow my elections journey in my Instagram profile, Marc for VP Education. Have a good day and see you soon. Leave your mark, vote for Marc.
What are you saying, Cardiff? My name's Jazz. I'm a second year politics and economics student here at the university, and I'm currently standing to be your next VP Education in the Students' Union elections. I'm currently the chair of the scrutiny committee, and over the past 2 years, I've worked side by side with your sabbatical and campaign officers, supporting them in the work they undertake and empowering them where they could do better. I've seen some amazing work by our Students' Union, but it could be doing so much more for you. I know the time has now come for me to step forward and begin the fight for your education. You deserve someone with your best interests at heart. So when it comes to vote week, make sure you secure someone who's going to fight for those interests. I have, and I will continue to stand up to the people who say we can't or we won't do better for you. Secure Jazz for VP Education and secure your future. Safe one, Cardiff.
Hiya, my name is Kenza and I'm running for Vice President of Education in the spring election. I already represent your needs as the chair of the student reps for English language, but now I want to represent your needs at the union level. I promise to continue my work on making module guidelines more achievable in the form of ensuring deadlines are not on the same day as other deadlines. Trigger warnings on module guidelines by sensitive topics I've discussed. Build on the recent work of the student rep rework, allowing it to be more effective. And a complaints procedure so the Students' Union can better support your needs academically. No matter how big or small, I represent your needs and I will always be for the students.